Captains, first time boat buyer soon, medium experience with boats, been considering a Galeon brand 32-foot mini yacht for long weekends. That's a 325 GTO in Bahamas trips. Good name brand. Yes, absolutely. I'm not just saying that because I sell them. As far as fit and finish goes, all right, I'm going to go into a little Galeon tangent here. Keith can go on one too because he's delivered probably 100 times more than I have. But, as far as Galeons go, the fit and finish, second to none. I mean, from the headboards to the liner to everything, it's all second to none. Galeon's a 90% vertically integrated company, so you're going to see a lot of stuff done on a Galeon, whether it's a teak, whether it's some metal work. It's going to be done in-house. The reason for that is they're doing a lot of that themselves. It's going to keep these costs actually relatively low on these boats. Like, you might be looking at a $2 million Galeon, and you might think that it's a $3 million boat all day, even though the quality's there. That's why a lot of it's in-house. So, yeah, in short, yeah, great boat, Al. And I'm sure Keith can attest to that too.
Absolutely. I wouldn't have any issues with that. Galeon's awesome, man. They're beautiful.